Today we're going to install this HKS Spec-L on this GR86. First, I just want to kind of remind you guys, we've been here for a decade doing reviews, doing installs for you guys. And this customer brought his car in from Arizona. He shipped it in and we did the Harp supercharger on it. So if you guys have any questions, just hit us up. We are there to help you guys. We're going to give you guys good deals. You know, a lot of prices on our website now for all products are very strictly controlled. The best way to get a good deal is to actually hit us up, contact our sales team. We will make sure we take care of you guys. We'll do package bundles and things like that. We've done the JDL kits. We've done the HKS kits, plenty of those. We did the Sprintex kit on our GR86 back in the day. So the Spec-L is a really high-end exhaust for the GR86. Cool thing about this, as I was unboxing it, I just noticed how light this was. This is a very special type of stainless steel. So you get the strength of stainless steel with the weight savings of like titanium. This weighs about 40% less. Cool thing about this exhaust is it is made specifically for the GR86. L2 has interchangeable tips, so they do have different tip combinations. And then they also have a limited rare edition one where the inside, called the bluest, the inside is actually blue too. I really like the gaskets, the weightness, the weight savings on this. I mean, this thing, I know you guys can't feel it, but it's really, really light. On our recent trip to Japan, they actually showed us this very specifically, how this is just that much thinner and stronger than standard stainless steel. The biggest thing with this exhaust is the sound character. It's actually set up for a deep, low frequency with like a very reduced drone. This system is JASMA approved. In Japan, the exhausts need to be actually really quiet. They just really don't like disturbing the peace. They don't like the American style that you guys like here. So this is just very respectful and adult sounding exhaust. And this is targeted to someone that wants just a little bit of extra sound on the cold start. So this system is noticeably louder than stock, but not very obnoxious. So one of the secrets is actually this design here. The waves will actually come in here, resonate back through here, and this will cancel. This is an anti-drone technology. I really love the quality of the welding and stuff like that. One other cool thing is this is an equal length design. You guys usually have heard that in like the manifolds and stuff that we talked about, but that just creates a balance on left and right where you're not having one side be louder than the other side. So there's lots of cool benefits and features. I really like the gaskets. It's going to give you an O-ring style gasket that's going to come in here, seal it up really good. This is a larger diameter specifically for the FA24, but it will work on the first gen. It's just a little bit more refined in sound, a little bit quieter than the first version. This is just really tuned, really refined. And like I said, it will fit the first gen as well. It does have a larger piping diameter, so I actually recommend it for all the cars if you're trying to make a little bit of extra power. So let's get to installing it. Let's get you guys some sound clips.